Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 15th of October, 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, as IntelStor predicted back in July, there is no end in sight for U.S. wind power price increases amid strong market demand and rising project costs. Project developers face an array of federal policy challenges. The most prominent of these are the tax and budget bill changes, which have led to a buying frenzy for wind power project offtake. Prices averaged more than $52 per megawatt hour last year and are trending towards $60. That pricing includes merchant power pricing as well as fixed-price corporate and utility power offtake contracts. Deputy Minister of Industry and Technology in Turkey Zekeriya Kotu acknowledged that the wind energy equipment industry has not experienced its brightest period. This has been due to the current increasing costs and employment challenges. The government aims to overcome this period without permanent damage by providing strong support to the sector, with new incentive programs and infrastructure investments focusing on coastal wind energy. The industry is supported by vehicles such as credit guarantee mechanisms so that it does not take permanent damage. Global renewable energy additions hit a record 582 gigawatts in 2024, but the growth rate is lagging behind international targets to triple installed capacity by 2030. A staggering amount of more than 1.1 terawatts must be added each year between 2025 and 2030 in order to meet the end-decade benchmark set at the COP28 summit. The total of 11.2 terawatts would require an annual growth rate of 16.6%. Inox Wind is planning to establish a new facility at the Kyadigoppa Industrial Area in Kushtagi, taluk. The company is promising an investment of more than 400 crore rupees, and they expect to create approximately 1,000 direct jobs. The state government would extend full support and provide incentives to Inox Wind under the new industrial policy. The proposed unit will manufacture wind turbine towers and blades. UAE-based renewables developer Masdar is in the final stages of agreeing a deal for the development of a 1.1 gigawatt solar project with energy storage in Turkey. The announcement was made after a visit by a UAE delegation led by Masdar's chief executive to Turkey in order to discuss joint investment opportunities in renewable energy and energy storage. The two parties have reached the final stage of a $1 billion initiative for the development of a 1.1 gigawatt solar power plant with energy storage in Bor, Night province of central Turkey. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.